happening, YouTube? It's Anthony from Meineke Cineminton. I am working on a 14 Hyundai Sonata. This is charcoal gray. So this is what the EPS insulator looks like inside an electric motor. And speaking of electric motors, Tesla, I think Hyundai and Kia just put out a bulletin that if your steering column rattles from the EPS insulator, it's completely normal. It's a Hyundai and a Kia. You have nothing to worry about until your steering wheel doesn't steer anymore. But don't you worry, because it's a Hyundai or a Kia, and this is normal. You know, that banging and rattling that you hear from your steering wheel every time you hit a bump and go left to right, it's like clanging, clanging, banging, banging. It's all normal. Nothing to be concerned about. Keep driving your car until you crash. That's me being facetious with Tesla saying that moisture in your taillights is normal. And I kind of figured, you know, once the steering column insulator wears out in these cars and people call and complain, that maybe Hyundai and Kia can brainwash their customers into, hey, that's normal after your car gets 30 or 40,000 miles on it. Don't worry about that. People, it is something to be worried about. And I'm not going to lie to you and brainwash you, and neither will Kia or Hyundai. They seem like a stand-up company and stand behind their products pretty well as far as going to put motors in their cars for advising their customers to change their oil 8 and 10,000 miles. So, I mean, they put tons of motors in people's cars, and that's very stand-up of an vehicle manufacturer, unlike Tesla.